Alright. Alright guys, so we are now headed to the food truck place to get some spicy shrimp. Alright man, stay with us. Hey guys, so this is not sure why, and we are headed to Giovanni'S shrimp food truck. This is one of the best and most popular food truck stop that's cater all varieties of shrimp, garlic shrimp, and hot dogs. And this is basically located in Kamehameha Highway. And this is one of the best locations that you ought to visit if you're ever in North Shore, Hawaii. They've got amazing shrimp, and the place is crazy busy. Look at here, man, it is awesome. Huge line, believe me, but the line is worth it. So they've got their truck pretty much decorated with all these graffitis and signature from all the peoples who's been there, and the food is amazing. Heard a lot about it, and just like I said, do not miss this place. So we are right now in a queue trying to get our share of some awesome garlic shrimp, and as you can see, a lot of people driving miles and miles just to get the taste of their awesome garlic shrimp. It is amazing, spicy, hot, and the juice will literally drip through your hands, and yum yum yum. I just can't wait to have those in my hand and enjoy. Suzi's right here actually in a queue trying to get us our plate. There you go, looks like my plate is here, and this is once again amazing hot garlic shrimp from Giovanni'S food truck in Hawaii. And we are all set now. Well, looks like Suzi is about to take a few clicks of the goodies and awesomeness. And here you go, guys. Oh, a lot of shrimp, juicy, spicy, greasy, and super tasty. And we've got here a huge plate here with monster shrimp, some rice, and we are ready to eat. So right here, guys, this is my big humongous plate. Let's enjoy. And of course they've got some calamaris, fried wings if you want. Alright guys, this is awesome garlic shrimp here.
This is a putan, man.
Wow, man, look at it. Awesome shrimp. Ooh, nice and spicy. Ooh. Alright, this is the hot and spicy shrimp from Giovanni'S food truck, one of the most famous shrimp truck in Hawaii. Right there, there's Suzi. Wait. Alright guys, so over there, so we're gonna start to eat, so I guess we'll get back to you guys later. Yum yum yum.